So this workflow can generate the music using like this. Like you see, this channel only has 20 videos, but see the subscriber 164k subscriber, and see the views that it get on millions of views on his channel. So today I go to make this similar channel with this AI automation. So building this, we simply need to look at something. So this is the workflow that I provide link in the description box, in the Gumroad link, where you can get all the resources that I recently set up for you. You can see. Now go to the workflow and explain you. So click on the workflow, and you simply need to connect your Google account. Click on the add button, and you simply need to connect your Google account. When you connect your Google account, you simply need to choose your spreadsheet ID. I have already choose this one. Make sure, how can you get that? To get a spreadsheet ID, I provide the link, my spreadsheet ID. You simply go to file button and click on a make a copy, and click on a make a copy. So it will make a copy for you, so you can use my spreadsheet. You don't need to do anything, you can simply use my own. I can provide everything resources. So when we create this, so you simply need to rename it, and you need to add content. So for adding content, you do not play with index and status. I also provide a ChatGPT link for generating like this title and prompt. So what thing I do, I simply go to my, here you can see, I simply paste this prompt in the description box. In the Gumroad, I provide everything resources for you. I simply copy paste, or you can edit in your way, or anything you can do it. So it can provide this much information, this much music, like same like this channel have getting millions of views. You can see that. So we have also that. So I simply copy my data, and you simply need to delete this and edit here like this. How can you do that? Let's press it, and I can guide you. You simply need to select and delete it and add your data. When we add our data, then we move to the next, especially everything you can do with me. This is already with like me, and the limit will be everything is fine. Now move to the next step, and this is the thing. Here I simply need to paste our API key of. So we use PI API to get an API key. So I already create an account. You can see this is the website. You simply need to create account on this platform. You simply need a GitHub account, and just sign up with your GitHub account, and you get an account on this platform. So when we get our account, then we move to the next part. So for getting API key, go to, when you log in your account, then go to setting option. Here you can see not setting. Go to API key option, and simply copy your API key. I simply copy my API key and go back here in my Mac scenario, and I simply paste my API key. Here you can see I simply copy my API key and simply paste it, and thus everything is fine. And now we need to play with our prompt. So we model use music, yes, generate music, get description, config, and I think here I need to write our prompt. So we need to drag our prompt like title. I think this is the wrong. I can check. Let's say ChatGPT to correct this. Simply copy this and go back to the ChatGPT. Make sure you can also do that. I simply refresh it and I simply click on fix this, fix this JSON. You can see I simply write it and simply paste it and click on send. For a spreadsheet I can guide you. Click on continue. So you can see I am on my spreadsheet. Let's select this data and delete it and add your own data. You can see this is the successfully copy. When our is copy, then we need to delete this and click on backspace so it can delete and add your own like this. Simply copy from ChatGPT and paste it here. That's how simple it is. Now go to ChatGPT and see our response. Music generate. Let me know. Here is the correct format. GPT description prompt. Simply copy this, go back to Mac and paste it, and I simply need to write a prompt. I think let wait and I can guide you how can you fix this, or I provide a fixed download link in the JSON when I know it, so you don't need to worry about. And we add 50 seconds for this. We need to around, for new one we simply need to around this much or more than that. So let's wait this much. Okay, so we can't wait more than 5 minutes. Simply save as, and here we need to get our data from this. When I run it, so this model work, so it can check the output. If I got a song, and it can check by their ID, so we need to create a keychain. Click on this and we simply need to paste our API key of PIP API. So here I can grab that, go to Mac and simply paste it here and just click on create. You can see I successfully created that, and just simply save it, and it get the some text processor that we use to get a mp3 file, and simply save it. When we got a mp3 file, we can save it on our Dropbox account. So click on the save and make sure you can log in your Dropbox account in the Chrome browser, so it can grab from that. So I am logging with my Dropbox account. You can see that. So we need to wait it couple of seconds. Click on allow, and we see that our account is connected on Mac.com. And it can rename like our data and title name of music from Google Sheet, and this is the data, so it can automatically convert you get data, so it can convert that into music automatically. It is form of like binary form, like 0 1, so it can convert automatically. Dropbox convert into mp3 format, and this model can update Google Sheet, like you can see here. This is on to do form, and this will be like done, so it can move to the done automatically, so it can process next time this. So we can add much as possible, and you simply need to change here. If we add like 5000, you simply need to add 5000. I only have 30, so I simply add 30. I think I explained everything, and now our time is to run it, and let's fix it here. So I can check the API tutorial of this. So let's find the API tutorial. So you need to wait. You can also skip this part. So let's see. So let's go here, our account, go here and input guest description prompt, and we simply need to write this, drag it here, and we simply drag our prompt here on this. So I can successfully drag our prompt here, and now time to run it and see the output. We use music model for generate. So we use the save it. I can fix it and provide the correct one, and in the background it can use this AI, Suno AI. So it can use background in Suno AI to generate music. You can also generate from here. If you don't want to use API key or anything, like, you can simply, or you can also upgrade their pro plan, and you can also do that. If you want to use API key, you can also do that. This is in your way. How can you do that? In the background, so it can use Suno, and you can simply sign up your account, and you can try it. If you like it, then you can, if you like it the music, so you can try it. I can play the music and see how the music look like. I simply play one, and I think you can listen it, how it music look like. This is called lofi music, so people will listen for relaxing purpose or anything relaxing, I think. And let's click on run once and see the output. If I got anywhere mistake, everything is done now. So my network is going or anything, I don't know. You can try in your way. I can show you the channel, you can use it. Let's go to our, so I switched my network to another one. I turn my hotspot. I think it is not working. Now see the output. And I can simply update my code. You can see it is running now. If I got any error, I can fix it now. Now it is generating song. You can see we got an error. Let's see the error. What is the error type? Five 503 error means list type 503 status code. The server is currently unable to handle incoming result. Okay, so let's make the next video. How can I fix that? I think I got an error. I make a second video and I can also provide you the update code. Okay, bye. We meet in next video.